Hi, I'm here, and I'm going to talk to you about Product at Xometry. Product at Xometry is spread across the entirety of our customers' journey. We have folks that work on quoting side, we have folks that work on exclusively the buyer experience, and then my team works on the post-order experience. So the moment a customer hits checkout or knows they want to place an order, we handle the process from that moment. The way I prioritize is I look at three things. What is causing customers friction? What is causing the business to lose efficiency in different areas of operations? And what can we do to make our systems more scalable? I think those three tenets are super important when we look at what Xometry needs to grow our business in the future. Customer feedback plays a huge role in how we build our product. It is core to our product development lifecycle. One feature that I think would be really useful for our customers is team space. It's where different members of a team can access their quotes, their orders, and be able to track progress on their parts. Regardless of who you are within that team, whether you're a purchaser, an engineer, a product designer, you can see what other members of your team are working on, regardless of who hit checkout. Learn more about what new product Xometry is releasing by following us on LinkedIn.